Okay, guys. There was Stormy. She ran away. This is Yoshi. He's a solid liver. And this is my sissy girl. She's a red. She's really a vibrant red. She's going to have puppies, so I don't think you could see it as easily right now. This is our blue boy. You can see how vibrant blue he is. I don't have any lights or flashes on. This is our dark chocolate. Actually, he's our milk chocolate boy. His name is Joey. This is our blue and white girl who's running away. This is our Leo. Leo, come here, baby. This is a big, solid cream Leo. Actually, he's a blue cream with dark blue eyes. Our newest baby that we have available for sale is our little Sammy. He was born a real dark brown, but he's going to turn gold, as you can see underneath. And see by his head, he's going to be a gold. There's Joe again. Here is our show dog. His name is Sparky. He's not even a year old yet, but look at that gorgeous gold coat. See, it just flops. He never mats. It just flops down to the side. And look at these big old feet. Look at those big old hairy feet. That's all hair. See, Leo's next to him. There's the gang outside. They have a doggy door so they can go outside. Otherwise, they're just free to go out and in and do their potty outside and come back in again. See, we have some papers on the floor for the little ones. Here's Joey. He just came in the doggy door. And there's our doggy door. And there's the toys outside, which they take. See? They come in and out as they want. And that's how you have a house of little lions. No crates, except for night-night for the boys. The girls sleep in our bed. The babies are in crates, just so that they're safe. And they stay in the whelping box for a couple weeks. I think I got just about everybody for you. Here's our little Joey. Has not had a litter yet. He's 10 months old. And he's the daddy of Sissy, my big red girl's puppies. So you see we're going to have some beautiful red livers. Or dark livers. I'm going to show you our baby boy again. This is Sammy. He's on for sale right now. He's had all his shots. He's microchipped. 2 claws are removed. Very social. Been raised in the house. Right, Sammy boy? And he's sitting right now. He usually sits when I talk to him. See? Sits again. Right, Sammy? Because he knows that's how he gets a treat. And little Sparky already has his treat. He's the one that eats it really slow and savors it. Okay, we're going to say goodbye for now for the House of Little Lions. You keep up with our website at houseoflittlelions.com to see what puppies we have available. Hi, Blue. See that blue? Not going to see that blue color very often. And like I said, he's a little boy. But see that coat? How it just falls down? Hardly ever mats.